Hey, I'm a state certified instructor. I teach teens and adults. Let's talk about night driving. So it is almost 10 p.m. Eastern Time. The speed limit here is 50 miles an hour, so I'm trying to get my speed up to about 45, 47 miles an hour so I can start timing it to make the lights. It's really easy to fall asleep if you're not paying attention. So you want to be at a smooth pace so you can make most of the lights. You kind of see me scanning, looking around, being patient, watching for deer, other drivers who can pull out in front of us, people falling asleep. The light's red up there, so I'm just lifting my foot. No sense in just trying to go real fast because you're going to end up rear-ending someone or catching a light and someone could run through and broadside us. So we're not trying to do that. I'm trying to keep my space, take my time, and just be smooth. Good drivers usually have great speed control, and I'm trying to keep my space so I'm not on top of cars. So I'm going to go ahead and get over one lane to the left, mirror, turn signal, blind spot about 3 to 5 blinks. I try to tell my students a minimum of 3, max of 5. The pace is slowing down a little bit, you can kind of tell. So I'm going smoother, being patient, taking my time, looking ahead. And as you can tell, I'm trying to keep space. Good drivers keep space to react. So when someone puts on the brakes, you have time to react. So I'm keeping my space, even though the next light is, we got a green that just turned green. You can see cars kind of stacking and packing up. So I want to keep room, anticipate cars that will just cut in front, because cars see like that car. It's cut right in front. So just keeping my space, being smooth. See me checking my mirror, squeezing my brakes. And now we're in the construction zone here, so you have these unusual signs here. It's kind of bumpy, as you can tell. So we're just taking our time. We got a solid yellow to the left. That's the warning line. And there are solid lines here to discourage passing. It says crossover backups. So you got to be aware. A lot of people will just back up because they're not paying attention.